Signing up for Binance isn't difficult? In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for Binance on your computer. Click See More at the bottom of the video you're watching to find a link to sign up for Binance. If you sign up through this link, you'll receive a 100% fee rebate and a $600 fee coupon right away. So sign up through this link. When you access Binance through this link, you'll see the sign up page below. Enter your email address or phone number, check the box below, and click the Continue button. A verification code will be sent to your email address or phone number. After verifying the code and entering it, you'll be prompted to create a password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, contain at least one uppercase letter, and at least one number. Once you've created your password, your registration is complete. Now, let's proceed with identity verification. On the sign-up screen, click the yellow button in the center to begin. Select the country you reside in, and select it in the second field as well. You'll need to prepare an ID card to verify your identity. Choose one of the following: ID card, driver's license, passport, or residence permit. Scan the QR code and proceed with the process on your phone. Take a photo of the front and back of your ID and verify your identity. Follow the instructions and the process will be quick. Check that the information on the ID you just took is accurate and correct any errors. Once you've completed and submitted your changes, they will be reviewed and completed within an hour. Now, let's proceed with two-step verification. First, hover over your profile on the Binance website and click on Account. Click on Security at the bottom, and you'll see Authenticator app. Click on Manage, and a verification code will be sent to your registered email address. Enter the code, and the code will appear. Now, install the Google OTP app from the Play Store or App Store and log in with your Google account. Click Add Code button in the middle, select Enter Settings key, enter a name that's easy to remember for Binance in the top field, and paste the copied code in the field below. Once you've entered your information, a 6-digit number will appear on the screen. Enter this 6-digit number in the Binance field before the timer runs out to complete two-step verification. This completes the detailed steps for signing up for Binance on a computer. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and like. Thank you!